CapCut Pasikat. We're excited to share with you 3 activities to improve communication skills. First, mock call. Let's find out! Thank you for calling from PLDT. My name is Benjo. How can I assist you today?
Hi Benjo, I'm experiencing poor internet signal at home. The connection is low and frequently drops.
Oh, I'm so sorry to hear that, Sir Rins. Can you please provide your account number and location?
My account number is 1234567890, located in Quezon City.
Have you restarted your router and modem recently?
Yes, I restarted them yesterday.
Let's try to isolate the issue. Can you check if other devices connected to the same network are experiencing the same problem?
Yes, all devices have slow connectivity.
I ran some tests. Can you please confirm your current plan and subscription?
I'm on 50 Mbps plan.
Our tests indicate possible signal interference. I recommend scheduling a technician visit for signal optimization.
Okay, that sounds good. When can they come?
How about tomorrow between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m.? Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks, Benjo.
You're welcome, Sir Rins. Your technician visit is scheduling for tomorrow. Reference number TVC 12345. We'll resolve the issue promptly.
Thanks again. Bye.
Bye, Sir Rins. Thank you for calling from PLDT. Second activity, the teacher is teaching with his learners.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Sir Rins. We're glad to see you. God bless you.
You may now take your seats.
Thank you, sir.
So our topic for today is all about oral communication. Now, who among you here know what is oral communication? Yes, John May?
Oral communication is refers to the process of conveying message, ideas, thought, or opinion through a spoken words.
Very good. Now, sino ba sa inyo may alam tungkol sa oral communication? Yes, Benja?
Oral communication refers to face-to-face conversation.
Thank you, Benjo. Magaling. See you and thank you, grade 11.
See you and thank you, Sir Rins. Last but not the least, storytelling. Alex and Sarah were assigned a group project to present to their class. Alex prepared the presentation, but they didn't rehearse together. During the presentation, Alex rushed through the slides, mumbling and avoiding eye contact. Sarah tried to intervene, but Alex dominated the conversation. Miss Santos asked questions, but Alex's vague responses confused the class. Sarah attempted to clarify, but Alex interrupted her the presentation, indeed in chaos. Questions. Who is the characters of the story?
Alex and Sarah.
Miss Santos.
Thank you. Please react, share, and comment our CapCut Pasikat video. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye!